So I got this little frame from Michael's, and it actually attaches on the back just like a frame. So I want to paint something on here, and then I'll probably top it with resin. But I think what I'm gonna do is I might use my Cricut to add some additional details to this. But I'm just gonna start out by doing a landscape.
Sunshine bright and warm, palm trees sway and charm, glistening sand so fine, ocean waves divine, feet in the bubbly foam, feels just like we're home, building castles high, seagulls in the sky, fun in the sun all day. We're laughing as we play. Life's a beach today, in every single way. In every single way. In every single way. In every single way. Crystal waters, ocean so blue, sunlight dancing, I'm lost in the view. A world beneath the surface so vast, deep sea beauty you never surpassed. Sand between my toes, wind in my hair, I'm in paradise, a place to repair. The open ocean calling me home, where the waves and the melodies roam. Underneath the waves, life's a symphony, beautiful creatures, a sight to see. From the coral reefs to the ocean floor, where the mysteries of the deep explore. Oh. Symphony, beautiful creatures, a sight to see. From the coral reefs to the ocean floor, where the mysteries of the deep explore. Ocean dreams in my head, waves crash and bring me there. Blue skies touch my soul, sandy beaches take control. Feel the sun on my face, life's a game I wanna chase. Seagulls singing in the breeze, moments like these set me free. Ocean dreams make me fly, underneath the clear blue sky. Sandy shores, endless days, best of life here to stay. Oh, and dreams make me fly underneath the clear blue sky. Sandy shores, endless days, best of life here to stay. Oh, blue sky turns to night, under the sea feels right. Waves roll slow and easy, sun dips down so breezy. Blue sky turns to night, under the sea feels right. Fish swim by in colors bright, coral reefs glow in moonlight. Tides whisper tales so old, in the ocean's gentle hold. Down below where dreams can flow, majestic peace in undertow. Serene waters soothe the soul, in the sea's embrace we're home. Sea turtles glide by calm, starfish rest on ocean palm. Sea horses drift and dance, lost in the sea's romance. Whale songs call out clear, echoing far and near. Deep down in heart sea, find a place where we're free. Down below where dreams can flow, majestic peace in undertow. Serene waters soothe the soul, in the sea's embrace we're whole. We're whole. Whale songs call out clear, echoing far and near. Deep down in heart of sea, find the place where we're free. Down below where dreams can flow, majestic peace in undertow. Serene waters soothe the soul, in the sea's embrace we're whole. In the sea's embrace we're whole.
Okay, so I use my Cricut and I'm just gonna put a couple of little plants and seaweed kind of things on here where I think it needs it. I'm gonna paint a little tree on here. All right, so I want to use some tape on the side of this, or on the front of this at least, to make sure I'm not getting paint on my frame.
Spark like fireflies, colors on the canvas, love the way they rise. Hands in motion now, shapes begin to form. Dreams come to life in every shade and norm. Create the magic, feel it in the air. Draw it, write it, share it, show the world you care. Imagination flow, let your colors show.
Okay, I just basically placed these abalone shells that I bought from Michael's a while back on here, and I'm going to UV resin them into place, and then I will be doing a final top coat of epoxy 1:1 resin, and then this will be finished. Okay, here's the completed piece. I really do love how this came out. I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day.